Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on spot of Bybit. So, as you're all familiar with Bybit, it's a great exchange. Here is Trump coin. As you can see, um, the price is 41,596. So, if you want to buy and sell, you can use those sticks. When the green sticks are going up, it's a good indication that uh, on the top of those sticks we have to sell the coin, and when it comes down again, we can buy it again. This will be a small percentage of token. One is just for a learning experience. It's if you're dealing on your for your own sake, it's better to see the whole picture, the big picture, and trade with more difference in price. Yeah. So we have Trump here. We have a Trump, so we can buy on with market or with limit. For example, we'll buy with limit. We will say we will sell at 42. Okay. Order, will sell all. No, order price, yes, 42. And then we have to put sell here. Sorry, at 42 euro, and we will sell 100%. We'll get 349. At the moment we have 346, so we will earn a few cents. If the price go up, but at this time it's going down, so it will be difficult. But if you put it on limit, it will be sold when the time comes that the price will go to 42. So we just check in sell, okay, at 42. Okay, confirm, sell Trump 42. Okay, yeah. Now we have ordered. We have an open order. In an open order, we see that the selling will be done at 42. So we just have to wait and see you in the next buying video.